So it's been a while since my last upload, and I figured I'd do another one. We're getting ready to make some Tarator soup, which is a medieval Bulgarian no-cook summer soup, served cold, and the main ingredients are cucumber and yogurt. There are several different versions of this recipe that go by different names and come from different parts of the world, but we're just going to make this one tonight. And I've got my lovely little helper here, Sean.
Hi!
Isn't he so cute? Step 1, wash and if you can, peel your cucumbers. We kind of failed at peeling our cucumbers because, as you can see, I did not have an actual peeler and a knife just wasn't cutting it. So, we're just gonna leave the peel on.
Which is just as good, by the way.
And Sean here is going to demonstrate part of the next step, which you can see I already started on. But what we are doing now is dicing the cucumbers.
And
I am in your screen.
So, you gotta kind of chop these really easily, and once you get a few of them, oop, see,
That's
I got a
fine.
little, yeah, it's not gonna hurt anybody.
That one's a little thick.
Yeah, I would like you to come over and help me with that, Mom.
I'll fix that.
Here. So,
Make
this,
it so that the camera can actually see.
I am.
Okay.
So, it is not easy, as you can see. I failed completely miserably.
You made them a little thick, that's all.
I failed miserably! I failed miserably!
Alright, once we've got them sliced, Sean, you're showing my arm.
Sorry. This is Mom, by the way. As you can see, she is in your screen.
I am in your screen.
Yes, I would like to finish dicing these, if you wouldn't mind.
Let me go ahead and show how it's done, just so that we can stop recording for a minute while we work on the rest of them.
Okay.
So basically, you're just going to cut it into little strips like that.
Just
turn
in
it,
case you don't know how to dice.
and cut it again.
Just in case you don't know how to dice.
Yep. Now we have... Would you please focus on the food?
I am!
Now we have wonderfully little diced pieces of cucumber. So we're going to go ahead and finish up with the rest of these.
Okay.
And then we will be back with you.
I am in your screen as well! It's not easy, thankfully I made little marks in them apparently, so I can just go ahead and cut them. This is actually easier, but it takes longer. But that's fine by me.
Sirius, go
And
out.
I'm just talking to myself right now.
Sirius, go out. Dog.
You're not actually recording me saying that, are you?
Maybe I am.
Are you?
Maybe.
Hey. You're not actually, are you?
Maybe.
Let me see.
No.
It's more fun not to let me know. Isn't
Exactly.
it? I don't want to know anymore. It's more fun not knowing.
He's 9, by the way, folks.
You're recording! Mom! You could have just told me. Oh, cut that one a little weird. That's okay. Just as long as they get cut. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm. It's all going to get broken up by our teeth anyway.
Yes. You You were recording? Oh, you're in trouble? Says nobody. You're not actually in trouble because I can't get you in trouble. Plus, I don't want you in trouble. I love you.
I love you too, Goober.
Okay. See, as you see, these are a little wonked up and I'm not cutting them great. But that doesn't really matter. Since, as Mom said, they're gonna get broken up by our teeth anyways. Oh, wait. Take a bite.
Quit stealing from Omar, gosh.
It's more fun.
I think after this you should let me cut the other two.
No. Not happening.
Why?
Because I want to do it.
But it's my channel.
Let me.
I'm the one who decided to make this.
And I'm never gonna learn to cook if you steal all my cooking moments. Fair point?
Yeah, fair point. Sirius, get out!
Show him serious.
You fluff butt! Sirius, you do not get cucumber.
That is our dog, Sirius, by the way. He is a real fluff nug.
Yeah, he is.
He's
Ouch.
in your screen.
Please ignore my dirty kitchen floor, by the way. I haven't had a chance to mop for a while. Or sweep, really. I have a bad back.
Oh, made that one thick. That's okay.
Nope. Hold it the other way. Yeah.
Am I gonna get cut?
Not if you're careful.
Okay.
Sean, let me give you a tip. Thrust the point down first and then rock as you go backwards. Rock the handle down.
And that?
Oh my god, cats!
That's our Alistair, by the way. He's a real pain in the butt.
Yeah, he just knocked his food dish off because, well, there wasn't food in it, and that's unacceptable. Sean, that one on top is pretty thick, too. Minerva, you get no food right now either. No cucumbers for the puppies.
Ooh, I almost just cut myself thanks to these wet cucumbers.
Fine, give me a...
No, I got it.
No, I'm saying give me a slice of the cucumber so I can get the dogs off our backs.
Okay. Oh, that's okay. They'll eat it.
Yep. Minerva, come here. Come here.
We just need the
Come on.
dogs out of our...
That's our other dog, Minerva. She loves cucumbers, and so does Sirius.
Hey, I'm actually cutting these fairly decent. Oh, that one turned out a little thick, but if I fix it correctly, I won't get cut.
Hi, puppers.
With...
I just had to show Sean how to not cut himself and to cut things easier. So let's see how he does now.
I'm just going to do one at a time because
That's
it's
fine.
faster that way and it makes me feel safer.
That's fine. You're forgetting the rock backwards part, though. Rock down as you pull back.
So like that?
Not quite.
So like that, right?
Close. Hand me the knife. Like this, look. And for anyone out there who doesn't know what I'm talking about, here's what you do. You go point down first, and you go in like that, and then you rock backwards.
Okay, so like wait, I did that completely idiotic.
You rocked when you went forward.
Sorry.
Hey, Sean.
What?
I see you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Hey, I didn't get that on the camera. I was pointing at your hands. Do it again.
Mwah.
Hey, Sean.
What?
Look at the camera and say, hey, Omar, give me a kiss.
Hey, Omar, give me a kiss. If he actually does watch this, it's gonna be hilarious, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Out. Out. Out.
And he,
Minerva doesn't care.
knowing his sense of humor, he's probably gonna be laughing his butt off.
Probably.
I'm gonna dump a few of these into the pot. Are you actually recording, Mom?
Maybe.
Are you actually?
Maybe.
Record, please.
Maybe.
You're recording.
Maybe.
You're recording!
Now I have cucumber juice on my hand.
Take it off!
Yummy, yummy cucumber juice. disgusting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it really was. Laura's gonna be laughing if he ever sees this.
Alright, quit talking about other people's channels on my channel.
Okay, this is taking a while, but I'm fine with it.
And it's gonna be yummy, yummy soup.
Yep. Non-cooked soup.
Non-cooked soup.
So how long do you cook it for? 0 minutes at 0 degrees Fahrenheit?
Exactly.
Okay.
Well, except 0 degrees Fahrenheit would mean it was severely frozen. No, just room temp.
Okay. 0 minutes at room temperature degrees Fahrenheit.
I am in your screen.
Hi.
And one of the great things about this is that you can easily make this when you're camping.
Yeah.
I mean, the hardest part about it is yogurt. You gotta have yogurt.
So this is Mom doing it quicker than I ever could. So you need garlic, cucumbers, dill weed, vegetable oil, salt, and plain yogurt.
And water.
Oh, and water, yes.
And
Water's right there.
As far as the oil goes, I would rather use olive oil, but we don't have any right now.
Okay. So, but it works.
Yep.
So, hi. That's our cat, Alistair. Alistair, say meow. Pet the Alistair. Pet the Alistair, guys. Hey, Alistair. Alistair, say meow. Good boy. You said meow. Say meow. This is our Allier. Say meow. This is our Harry Poo.
So I used 4 cucumbers, and I'm going to use this entire container of yogurt. Show the yogurt, Sean.
Mom, is not yogurt.
It is yogurt.
No, I was saying you're not yogurt.
No, I am not yogurt.
Grab.
Next thing you're going to need is a big ass fork.
Mom language on the
I'll
channel.
beep it out.
No.
Yeah. So you want to stir your yogurt up.
Mom, you're spilling.
Just a little bit. You want to stir your yogurt up until it's nice and smooth and consistent and liquidy.
Like this. Only better. And then you dump it all in the cucumbers. No, that's not actually what you do. Is it, Mom?
Well, I mean, more or less.
But give them exactly how you need to do it.
Okay, so the recipes I've been looking at have not been real clear on this fact, but I think we're supposed to add the water to the yogurt before we pour it in with the cucumbers. Okay, so I've added some water to my yogurt, and you can see it's thin without being overly thin. It's going through the tines of the fork and dripping a bit, but it's still thick enough to be clinging to part of the fork. And that's about where I want it, but that is personal preference. You can put more water, you can put less water, you can put no water. This is all about how you want it. So, now that we've done that, here. Sean?
What?
Really? He's going to have sticky cotton candy fingers while he holds my camera.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm. Aim it at the cucumbers.
Yep.
Wrong way. Aim it at the cucumbers.
So
Pull back a bit.
So these are your diced cucumbers, and that is your yogurt. You will pour your yogurt into the cucumbers, pretty much just dump it all in over the cucumbers. This is what it should look like when you're done. Well, not when you're done, but
when you've got the yogurt sauce in.
yeah.
And we're just going to mix this all up real quick.
Do you have to mix it up?
Yes. You want to get every piece coated
In yogurt sauce.
Now,
We add the salt. Not a lot.
it is salt to taste, dill to taste, garlic to taste, and oil to taste. Fairly easy recipe, huh?
Yeah. So, add the oil. This is no cook, by the way. Just in case you forgot, this is no cook. I am Mom's lovely assistant.
Mm-hmm. He's my monkey. Turn the camera that much, it messes up the... Okay. Time to calm down.
Sorry. But this is what it should look like when you've added the dill, yogurt sauce, and cucumbers. Hi,
And the
Alistair.
oil and the garlic and the salt.
Yeah,
I have all the ingredients in here. All that's left to do now
it's stir.
is stir and then taste test before putting it in the fridge.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. And there it is in our fridge, our slightly messy, but not as messy as it was a few days ago fridge. You're going to want to let that chill for at least 3 hours. And I'm chilling it overnight. You can serve it with ice cubes if you want, or just chilled directly out of the fridge. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And you can leave me a comment with anything that you would like to see done that is medieval, whether it be a recipe or an outfit made or an accessory or whatever, and I'll see what I can do. Other than that, if you want to hit subscribe, you can be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Just hit subscribe and notify. Stumbled over that word there for a second.
Because of me giving her the money.
He's a dork. Anyway.
Peace, people, peace.